Let's unbox the MSI VENTUS 3X OC edition of the RTX 5070 and take a look at its design and features. But first, let's take a look around the box. This is how it comes from a store. No shrink wrap, no seals, take the essentials. Okay, we will. A little bit of extra padding to protect the graphics card during shipping. Two 8-pin to a 16-pin power adapter comes included in the box. Notices, quick start guide, and no more accessories. The graphics card comes packed in a standard anti-static bag, sealed with a piece of tape. Take a look at this. 3 fans, but the graphics card is not tall. And there's some protective film over here as well as at the back. Let's peel it. Just looking if there is a pull tab somewhere. Oh, is that it? Yes, that is a pull tab right here. This is a pretty nice design. Metal backplate, plastic shroud. There is an MSI logo over here. And a pretty massive cutout on the back here. It's a pretty simple design, no RGB lights. Let's take a look at the display connectivity. We get 3 DisplayPort 2.1 and 1 HDMI 2.1. These are the latest and greatest connections for up to 4 monitors at the same time. This card consumes 250 watts of power and it uses a single 16-pin connector to power this graphics card. MSI recommends a 650 watt power supply for this graphics card. The VENTUS 3X takes up 2.5 slots. Now let's measure it. It is 301 millimeters long. And 121 millimeters tall. This is not the most compact graphics card, but for a 3-fan design it is pretty small and it should fit into most PC cases. From the outside, the cooler looks pretty good. It has 3 big heat pipes piercing through the heatsink over here and also over here as well. You can see that under that fan. There's one heat pipe, there's another one, and the third one on top over there. There we go. There is a heat plate over here that delivers active cooling to the memory modules. You can see the thermal pads over there on some of them. Same at the top. And there is active cooling for the power delivery system too. Take a look at that. That is it right there. And there is a little bit more on this side too. You can see those like tiny heat sinks on top of those VRMs. I'll test the cooler in my full review that I will publish over on my main channel. You can find the link in the description below. Go and subscribe to that channel so that you don't miss the full review that will feature temperature as well as noise testing and performance too. So go and check it out. Here's what it looks like inside of a PC. From the distance, it looks fine. However, I noticed something that I can't unsee now. You see those white bits over there and over there? Those are fan connections, yeah? If they made them black to fit in with the rest of the plastic over here, I think it wouldn't be a big deal, but this just feels wrong. Once I see it, I can't unsee it, and it is bothering me a little bit. Not too much, but it's just a little nitpick that I have, I guess. Oh, and by the way, you don't need any GPU support stands for this graphics card because it is fairly light. It weighs just 1 kilogram, hence why I'm not using that. It's fine. I guess from this angle, it looks okay. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the MSI VENTUS 3X version of the RTX 5070? Do you like how it looks? If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to reward my work with a like, it helps out a lot. And subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.